Hello, let's do Adventist Sudoku, day 16. If you're not familiar with Adventist Sudoku, definitely check in the description below. I have a link to a playlist, and in the very first entry of the playlist, day 1, I explain what's going on with Adventist Sudoku. And of course, in the description, you can also find a PDF that updates every day. Every time you download it, it'll have the latest puzzles, and so you can try day 16 and all the previous days yourself first. So today I'm going to be solving day 16 of, as always, it's by Kinnison, and it's called Can't Knock It. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. Additionally, we have these arrows, but they're called pill arrows. And so this is read as a 2-digit number. So if this was, say, 1, 3, you'd read this as 13. So you take all the digits on the arrow, you'd sum them up, and they would have to sum to 13. All right. So those are the rules, and definitely give it a try yourself first. And I'm going to get started now. So let me hit restart here. So I actually want to start here. So we're going to use the sort of secret sum of this box, which is 21. So we know these are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that for sure because that's what's left in the box. That adds to 15. So we can think about what this digit can be. It can be any of 1 through 6, but it's going to be added into the 15. So we could be 16 if we had a 1 here, but there's a problem. If I put a 1 here and I add to 16, I have to put a 1 here also in order to put 16. So that's not going to work. Also, the 6 would break it. But I can't actually type 17 in a 6x6 Sudoku. So I actually need to get into the 20s, right, in order to wrap that around. But I actually have to get to 21. And 21 is going to be the biggest I can possibly do, because this is 15 plus 6 is going to be 21. And so now that arrow is basically done. Now we know what this sums to, because again, 1 through 5 is what's left in the column. That sums to 15. Just type 15 into the arrow. And honestly, the rest is just going to be Sudoku here. We don't really have arrow logic left to do. So let's see what we want to do here. I'm going to need a 1 down here somewhere. I need a 2 in one of these. Oops, I typed 5. I need a 2 in one of those. Let's see. This 2 and this 2 look down, so there's a 2 in one of these. This 2 looks over as well. So 2 is placed in this box. So I need a 1 also, that goes there. So now these triples are going to be the same due to our roping stuff. So this is 3, 4, 5. This can't be 3, this can't be 5, that can't be 4, that can't be 5. I need a 4, 6 pair down here. This one looks up and our corner marks help, so now we know that's a 1. This is 4 or 5, it can't be a 5 for 2 reasons. So it is a 4, that's a 5. And this is a pair remaining. I need a 3 and a 6. Don't think I can resolve that yet. This is a pair. I need a 1 and a 5. That is resolved. This is a 2 for the row. That gives us this 2. These are going to be 1, 3, 5. So this can only be the 3. That's a 5. That's a 1. This is 4. This is 3. This is 5. And then, let's see. This column needs a 6. That gives us 3 and 6. That gives us 4 and 3 and 6 and, 4 and 6. And then up here, I need a 3 and I need a 4. And there we go, we're done, 235. So I have a lot of experience with these pills, so don't worry if you didn't see immediately how to break into here. But once we had both of those arrows filled, it was just a normal Sudoku, so pretty straightforward after that break-in. So how'd you do on that? And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like and subscribe?